A little trick here for the Comet side moldings. A lot of them have these ferrules, plastic nuts, but they're way too small and impossible to get them threaded back on. And so what I have been doing, bear with me, is taking a tap and tapping them, cutting some of the plastic out. Keeper, and run your tap through it a few times. Opens it up, takes some of that plastic out. Otherwise they just won't seat. They won't go all the way down. Now it's nice and tight. Otherwise you end up with this moving around still. So these are nice and tight. Now that's my trick. So get yourself a I think that's a 24 course. Let me check.